birthday, Deepu. I'm so glad that we got to be friends. I really look up to you for how humble you are and how you genuinely care for people. I noticed that you're everywhere. You're always trying to serve, and that really inspires me personally. And so I wanted to thank you for being such a good friend to me and to many other people. Hope you have an amazing day.
My favorite thing about Deepu is that he's very approachable and genuine and a fun loving person.
Hey Deepu, wish you happy birthday and I hope you're having a wonderful day. I thank God for our friendship. It's been a wonderful journey with you. There are a lot of qualities that you have that I really admire. One is you are a very selfless guy, and also you're someone who is very trustworthy, and that's why I don't keep any secrets with you. I always share everything about me, and also you are someone that we can rely on for any work. You don't just bail in middle. You're awesome.
Hey Bobs, happy birthday, Ra. One thing that I really love about you is the way you really connect to people, and also the way you reach out to people, and the way you are so much passionate about campus, which is something that I really like about you, and will continue to be a great friends.
What I love about Deepu is he's a kind, very humble, very down to earth, and he has also very helpful to me. Whenever I need help, I will always go directly to you, and you never say no to me. You are always ready to help me and teach me. That is the things that I will never ever forget. Yeah, you're also very serving, and also you're very giving as a person. And my favorite thing about Deepu would be I never seen you angry. You are just chill as a person, and happy birthday, Deepu. Have a great year.
Happy birthday to you. First of all, I really thankful to God for giving me in my life as a friend, as a brother in Christ. So yeah, definitely you are the wanted person for everyone. Everyone wants you because you are so cool, so kind, and so funny. So thank you for giving me space in your life to share about my life. So I'm very comfortable sharing anything to you. Not only me, I think a lot of people. So you have a good quality, giving space to people to share their life. So may God bless you, and may God use you more and more. Definitely He will use you because you have a heart to serve God. I definitely cherish our memories in Bangalore. So together. So thank you so much. So once again, happy birthday and have a great day.
Happy birthday, Deepu. I think I was supposed to answer a question. So I think there are two things that I really admire about you. The first thing is that it's pretty cool how you are so fascinated by astrology, and you know so much about the stars, and it's always really cool to listen to you rant about it non-stop. It's nice to see that you're passionate about it. And I also, the second thing is that I think that you have this very open view to life. You're very accepting of what comes your way, and you usually kind of roll with the punches, and you also plan like that. You don't have like I'll do this, but you kind of just go with the flow, and you're always ready to change up and learn new things, and I think that's pretty great. All the best for this year. Hope you have a great year. We're all praying for you, and we love you. So happy birthday.
Yes, birthday to my favorite brother Deepu. What I really like about you is that you are a very good listener, very mature, and I always get an honest review on whatever queries I come up with. So yeah, have a blessed year ahead. God bless you.
Steve's happy birthday. For me, one most lovable thing about you is the time you invest in Savit Campus Ministry. Above all, that inspires me a lot.
Happy birthday, Deepu. One thing I admire about you is your grateful heart for being chosen by God, and in your service in the ministry and helping out wherever there is need. That is very evidently seen. And I hope you have a wonderful year ahead.
Hey Deepu, happy birthday, God bless you. So you're like this small packet which has a lot of items inside, a lot of talents hidden in you, and it is amazing to see so much of talents in you. And what I love about is you, how much ever you know a lot, but you always stay humble, you always stay down to earth, and you don't show off, you always do the right things. And I always thought I was really good at multitasking until I met you. I mean, you do more things than me at the same time, which is really amazing. You give a lot of time to the ministry, you give a lot of time to your work, and you all maintain that at the same time, and it is not easy. And I really appreciate you for that. And taking up the ministry, doing a good job at this young age, it really shows the zeal you have for God. And to be a really good brother, helping me, encouraging me, and telling me if I really need to change in anything, that you always brotherly love, you come up to me and talk to me and share. That is what I love about you. And keep doing the same. You are like this really good at technical stuff, and then that is really amazing to see. You do a lot of help to the church with all the technical stuff, and it's amazing how much you do for God ministry and for all the people. So God bless you, have an amazing day. I hope we share this bond for many more years, and I love you.
Hi Deepu, happy birthday. One thing that I really like about you is the fact that you go above and beyond for the people that you know, especially during when I had my 12th board exams. You came out to my place even though you had so much work, and you helped me study so that I could do really well in my exams, and I'm super grateful for that. You're somebody who's very cheerful, who's very happy, and who's always giving and sharing. So yeah, have a great year.
Hey Deepu, something I really love about you is the fact that you make genuine and trustworthy friendships with people. That's the reason I think you're able to win a lot of friends in the church. And I'm really glad that I'm one of your friends. Happy birthday, man, and have a great day.
My favorite thing about Deepu is that he is a hard worker. He's someone who goes absolutely all out for his friends and family. He's someone with whom you can have a really wonderful time.
What I love about Deepu is that he's such a loyal friend. He always goes the extra mile for his friends. He's always looking for ways to help, and he's been a great friend to me. Apart from that, he's warm, kind, loving. He always makes you feel special. He's been a great friend. Happy birthday, Deepu. I hope you have a great year.
Hey Deepu, happy birthday. My favorite thing about Deepu is his genuine efforts and heart to build so many relationships and friendships with so many people around him. And one more thing is his genuine heart towards God and his people.